What you looking at now?
Just swiping through a bunch of different pictures. What'd you call me?
What are you looking at now? Be ratty.
Working 9 to 5, dreams survive till those scenes die, and that 9 to 5 turns into a 45, a noose, strangling the life out of you. To tell you the truth, I've never been suicidal, but I got friends who I consider idols, role models. 8293, born through the chemistry. 8293, freedom lyrically. 8293, breathing officially. Set from the start. 8293, born through the chemistry. 8293, freedom lyrically. 8213, pour us some Hennessy. I mean, God, 20 feet lying in the funeral, presently alive. You know what they say about terrible twos. The apple doesn't fall far, but it still can bruise. I see you ahead of me. I see you from my roof, a star shining like a firefly, distant, flickering in my muddy eyes. I wonder why when we dream, we see everything we want and need and leave to lead a reality more traveled by. We're bitter cause I didn't get to kiss her before she broke up with me. Go figure, but back then I saw a fling, far more interesting. My brother's kindling a relationship that left their legs tingling. My photographic eye spy like it's not on the wall. Only 10, but I thought I was old enough to see what was up. With my brother snuck around and saw 2 clouds behind the house. Now I done grew up watching my brothers puff puff. Easy dreams, deep sleep, I couldn't wake them up. I used to creep with them with the windows down, turn the system loud, cause I was not looking to get up. But regardless, I hung around the folk I know retarded. They saw me as a prune, I saw them as part for real. Show off with it when you know you're authentic, and the more y'all dig it, got my heart more in it. So I let my soul bleed through these toxics till I don't feel the pain. Padded oxygen. If you got an ounce left, pop a bounce in your step. If you're dragging your feet, pop your head to your favorite beat. You gotta do you, keep your dreams alive. Once you let go, that's a free fall from the sky. Uppercut, hook jab, let's knock you around. But there's those who stand up and those who stay down. Lay it down, lay it down, lay it down.
We will be able to transform the tangling.
Colorado clouds snail over flat irons, their milky residue stretching to put me slightly askew. The smell of Sailor Jerry's tainting her lips. You're a dirty sailor, Jerry. Medusa, my beautiful lady, coming around when other chicks slim shady. Shit, you just about come around on the daily. Curvy as a back road, I love your physique. Sliding in and out till you put me asleep. Leap to a dream world thanks to my dream girl. Bubbly personality, you're transparent though. Except for a couple colors you decide to show. Stiletto green, I'm with the baton, I'ma make it up. We're running harder, I gotta show 'em what I got when I rock. If I pop like balloons, boys know I'm skybound. Pipe down, haters like Mario. I'm Yoshi, prehistoric breed. Got the old soul flow, fluid in my movement when I do it. Like which ones will get off of these nuts. Prenup is what I'm about to sign. Cause life is a bitch, even if she's a dime. The only girls I trust are the ones that prove themselves. Call it trust issues, but I'd rather be a self-improving asshole than a fool every time. That's why I love music and I always let her ride.
Andrew Brown.
The rat in my dad. Put your tongue in your mouth, boy.